Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to check and adjust this spark plug gap on your STIHL weed eater. And right now I got a STIHL FS94R right here, or I guess it's a STIHL KM 94R. And I picked up a couple of these feeler gauge at a garage sale last year for next to nothing, probably $2 or something like that. But I'm going to be using this one right here, the Craftsman feeler gauge, and I think this thing might be vintage. And there's a whole set on this side right there. Then you get a whole bunch of set on this side. And at the end you got this little adjustment tool. And according to the manual, I believe the spark plug gap for this would be 0.5 millimeters or 0.02 inches. So let's take this off first. That pops right off. Get off this cover. This is all you're going to need, this tool right here. You're going to use this side, well, this side to take off that cover, and this side to take out the spark plug. So once you get this loose, you can pretty much screw it out all the way with your hands. Now I recently replaced this spark plug, so it should be just fine, but we're still going to look at it. That's an NGK, and like I said, the gap is 0.5 millimeters or 0.02 inches. So let's put this down and go through these. Okay, let's go. So it's going to be this one. Like I said, I recently got this one. This was directly from the STIHL dealer, but you know, I think it's already adjusted. I don't need to do anything else on this. But let's just say that that gap wasn't working or whatever, for whatever reason, it was bigger or smaller. You would get this tool and stick it in there, and either pry it open or close it down, depending. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put this down and put this spark plug back in. Let's tighten this back. Remember, you don't want to over tighten this, or else you might destroy those threading. You know, if you use this a lot, I think it's good to check it every now and again and take a look at that spark plug to see what's going on with your engine. Yeah, so I think that's about it. I'll be doing more of these videos, maybe for my FS200, which I think the spark plug gap is probably about the same.